Okay, here's how we make a paper model of a container that will then transform into a clay container. The supplies you're going to need will be a pencil or a pen to work with, scissors, a ruler, and a piece of tape. And guys, your piece of tape, probably no more than this big of a piece of tape, and you'll just hang that off the edge of your table so it doesn't get in the way. Now, the first thing you're going to do, no matter what size or shape your model is going to be, your paper model or your little mold for your container, we're going to take this paper, we're going to fold it in half one way like this, and we're going to open it up. Okay, so it's like a book, right? So we take one side of the book and have at the bottom here, and we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it up to the first fold and crease it, and then we're going to fold it again to that first fold and crease it again, and that's going to create 1, 2, 3, 4 thin walls there, and these are going to be representing of our walls. Then on this side we're going to be doing our design. So you need to be thinking about your shape of your design. So I'm just going to draw out a shape here, and like I say, these shapes don't have to be anything super fancy or big, and I'll just kind of try to get close to mirroring it. It doesn't have to look anything too much exact. Like, it can be kind of funky like that, kind of a funky shape. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this side of our design and we're going to start to cut strips. And so we'll cut these on these folds here and cut up just like this. There we go. 1, 2. Try to cut these as straight as we can. 3. And 4. Just like that. Now, with that done, we're going to look at our container and we're going to label the walls. So we're going to say this, we'll say this is number 1. Then we'll go 2, 3. So every change of direction is a wall. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 walls there. And I'm just going to take my scissors now and I'm going to cut this out right here. Cut the next one, 2, 3. We're on wall 4, wall 5, wall 6, wall 7, wall 8, wall 9, wall 10. Like this. Okay? Now, that's our base to our container. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our walls that we have here and we're going to look at, like, let's just say wall 1. We'll zoom in on this a little bit for us. Okay? Wall 1. Line that up at the corner, mark it here, cut it, label it 1, line it up, take just a teeny piece of tape, doesn't have to be much, tack it into place, just like that. Now let's go with 2. Line up this corner, Go to here, mark it, 2, cut it, line it up. There, little teeny piece of tape. The reason why we're using little teeny pieces of tape is because we're going to have to disassemble this too once we get this assembled. Let's go to 3. 3 will mark. Cut. Just like that. Put it on. Tape it. Just like this. 4. 4 is going to be here. Mark it. 4. 4. Tape. 5. I like putting the number out there so it tells me where to cut. As I get going, I might kind of forget. There's 5. 6. Just like that. Tape. We'll go all the way around, you guys, and then you'll start to assemble it with a little piece of tape, little piece of tape, little piece of tape, and it'll start to take the shape of your container. But we won't assemble it until another day. So on the middle, once you get all the way around here, you're going to put your name and your period, whatever period it might be. Okay? That's how you create your paper model for your clay.